them isn't it trying? If you horn all of a sudden. I feel even harder even when I try it. Again, I'm not good at science projects. I'm not good at cheering people up. Not again! You're so gonna pay for this, Bruto. Well, you're just an unforceful little girl. Why would you ever want to help your friend? Understood a statement that you'll never know. Look, just because you shadowed everyone's feelings with your shadow power. No, I'm not. I'm filming. And if you hurt people's feelings, that doesn't understand. Oh, well, if you think you can defeat me, well, here's some of the magical powers. Morris!